Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated portable cameras of the year, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. With leaks and rumors circulating, this compact device is poised to revolutionize handheld videography. Could this be the ultimate pocket-sized filmmaking tool? Let's explore everything we know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including its rumored specs, features, and potential improvements over its predecessor. The compact powerhouse gets even better. The Osmo Pocket series has always been about combining portability with powerful imaging capabilities. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to retain its signature compact form factor, but with subtle refinements that elevate its usability. Reports suggest that DJI might slightly increase its size to accommodate upgraded internal components, potentially resulting in a slightly larger and more ergonomic build. Weighing approximately 190 grams, this device remains lightweight while offering professional-grade videography. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the inclusion of a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen. Compared to the 2-inch display on the Osmo Pocket 3, this new screen enhances menu navigation, framing, and real-time monitoring. The rumored 480x 800-pixel resolution with an 800 nit peak brightness ensures that the display remains visible even under bright outdoor lighting conditions. This is particularly beneficial for vloggers and travel content creators who frequently shoot in varying environments. Ergonomic refinements for effortless operation. Usability enhancements appear to be a strong focus for the Osmo Pocket 4. The grip is rumored to be more comfortable, featuring better button placement for seamless one-handed operation. DJI seems to be catering to creators who need quick access to controls while filming on the go, making this an ideal device for vloggers, travel enthusiasts, and even professional filmmakers who require a secondary compact camera for dynamic shots. A next-generation camera sensor. One of the most exciting upgrades is the new 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a major leap forward from the Pocket 3's sensor and is expected to deliver sharper details, superior low-light performance, and an extended dynamic range. The larger sensor allows for improved light capture, making the Osmo Pocket 4 an excellent choice for cinematic video recording, whether in daylight or challenging low-light conditions. The camera is rumored to feature a 20mm f/2.0 lens, providing a versatile field of view perfect for vlogging, landscapes, and cinematic compositions. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit color depth and HDR recording ensures greater flexibility in post-production, allowing creators to fine-tune colors and exposure for professional quality content. Game-changing video capabilities. One of the biggest surprises is the rumored ability to record 4K at 240 frames per second. This marks a significant jump from the Pocket 3's 4K 120 FPS capabilities, offering even more creative possibilities, particularly for slow-motion videography. Whether you're capturing high-speed action, sports, or cinematic B-roll footage, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become a go-to device for anyone looking for smooth, high-quality slow-motion shots. DJI is known for its superior stabilization technology, and the Pocket 4 is expected to push the boundaries even further. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with improved electronic stabilization algorithms, is set to deliver ultra-smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios. This is a critical factor for action videographers and vloggers who rely on seamless, shake-free recording. Another notable addition is ActiveTrack 7.0, an AI-powered subject tracking system that could introduce phase detection and eye tracking. These enhancements will ensure precise subject tracking, keeping moving subjects in sharp focus. An essential feature for vloggers, interviewers, and action shooters. Enhanced autofocus and smarter AI integration. DJI is reportedly integrating phase detection autofocus, PDAF, into the Osmo Pocket 4. This means faster and more reliable focusing, eliminating the dreaded focus hunting issues seen in some previous models. With improved AI-driven tracking, the camera could seamlessly maintain sharpness even in fast-paced shooting environments. Another highly requested feature is the ability to use DJI's wireless microphone system while simultaneously connecting to the MIMO app. If DJI delivers on this, it would be a game-changer for content creators who require high-quality audio without compromising remote control functionality. Battery life, power efficiency, and fast charging. With a larger display and more powerful processor, battery life becomes a crucial consideration. While the exact battery specifications remain unknown, reports suggest that DJI is optimizing power efficiency to extend recording times. The Pocket 3 offered around 166 minutes of continuous 4K recording, and the Pocket 4 could potentially push this closer to 200 minutes with better thermal management and an upgraded chipset. One of the most anticipated improvements is fast charging support. Rumors indicate that the Osmo Pocket 4 could feature a 25-minute full charge capability using DJI's PD charger, making it significantly more convenient for creators who are always on the go. This would be a significant upgrade over the Pocket 3's charging time, allowing users to get back to filming faster. Durability and weather resistance, a key concern. A recurring issue among Osmo Pocket users has been durability. While the compact size makes it an excellent travel companion, it has also been somewhat fragile, particularly in outdoor conditions. Many users have requested better weather resistance to protect against dust, sand, and light rain. While there is no confirmation that the Osmo Pocket 4 will be fully waterproof, some level of weather sealing would be a welcome addition. Third-party waterproof cases exist for the Pocket 3, but an official solution from DJI would offer better integration and reliability for those who film in challenging environments. Expected release date and pricing. Based on DJI's 3-year product cycle, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2025. This timeline aligns with DJI's strategy of refining and improving its compact camera lineup while allowing for technological advancements. Pricing speculations suggest that the standard edition could start at $699, while the creator combo may be priced around $799. This marks a slight increase over the Osmo Pocket 3, which launched at $539 for the base model and $689 for the creator combo. While the price hike might seem steep, the rumored sensor upgrades, stabilization improvements, and advanced video capabilities could justify the premium. For now, the real question remains: will DJI meet expectations, or will there still be room for yet another upgrade in the future? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.